Hi, LindaBauwin here from StampingWithLinda.com, your cardiologist since 1997, helping you create cards from the heart. Today is just a quick video to show you how to use the new Christmas Rose stamp set. This is part of the Christmas Time is Here suite that will be released tomorrow. This is a beautiful suite with lots of die cuts, embellishments. Make sure you check on the link on my blog to see all this available with this beautiful suite. Also in the month of November, I will be offering a special PDF tutorial of exclusive cards that I have designed with this set, most of them being creative folds. The paper, everything about the suite is beautiful. Again, starting tomorrow, you'll be able to order this suite, and you'll want to make sure you use that special hostess code. But today's video is just to give you a tip on how to use this stamp set. It's a unique stamp set. It's because it's got two different types of stamps. First, it has the red rubber cling, and then it also has, for all the little pieces, the photopolymer. And the thing with that is it makes with the red rubber, distinct stamping of the images, but then you're able with the photopolymer to look and place all the pieces onto your image. Now I am just doing the pine cone, but as you can see with all these different pieces, now by not re-inking I can have different shades of my pine cone, but with that stamp set there are so many little pieces it can be time consuming. So today's tip is just going to show you a great way to use this stamp set for multiple stamps. So what I have done is already die cut my image out, and I have kept that negative image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place that flower right in there, and what I have already done is I have placed all of the pieces that you would stamp in the green for the leaves on that stamp. That way they're exactly where you need them every time, so it only takes one inking. So with the Stamparatus it makes for a very quick card. So I've got my greens, going to press those down, lift that back up. Because the photopolymer, it may stick to your stamp, but not a problem because we have that pattern right there. Maybe if I put my magnet over there will help. But as you can see, one stamp and I got all of the green pieces. So now I'm going to put it back in. I'm going to bring in my other mat, and I'm going to be using this with the real red. So again, I just positioned all those berries. Now when I go in and ink, one stamp and I fill up all of the berries. Quick and easy, and your Christmas rose is completely done. Hope you've enjoyed today's video. Talk to you real soon. Bye-bye.